So very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to one and all. It's great honor and pleasure for us to have you all here. And today we know that we have the inaugural program of WACDA 2022. And also we would like to welcome all the IIP and those who are having interest in research and innovation, especially in the qualitative research design. Today, we have our webinar on fundamentals of qualitative research design, and we are also starting our WOCDA 2022 International Workshop on Research Methodology for Qualitative Data Collection, Coding, and Analysis for Free Scopus publication. Yes, the topic is incredible in nature, and I am pretty much sure here that each and everyone, those who are doing their qualitative research, really want to know that how they can collect the data. What are the different types of qualitative research design? Which design is applicable for addressing a particular problem? How they can go for analysis of data, and what are the steps to be followed in a particular design? Say they are going with, say, one grounded theory, then in that case, what are the steps to be adopted to bring their data into the pattern and to launch their own theory? So I'm pretty much sure here that whatever in the research and methodology book today, we will give much more different than these things. And I hope that all the researchers and academicians will be ready with their pen and paper, because today we will have really incredible session. I want to introduce here the organizing member of WACDA 2022. Here, patron of our this workshop is our professor, Dr. Jan Rowley, Madam, from City University, New York, United States of America. We have convener, Professor Dr. S.K. Boral, sir, from Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, India, one of the leading central university from India. We have organizing secretary, Julian Andres Diaz from Chile, United States of America. Then we have coordinator, Abu Said Haq, sir, from Bangladesh. So these are the members of our organizing committee. Now this is time to have our guest of honor in this platform, and I would like to introduce in front of you, we have today three guests of honors, and thereafter we will have the welcome note from our dean, and thereafter we will start our today webinar. Today we will have the two presentation. First one we will have from our pro-vice chancellor, Professor Catalino Mendoza, sir, Pro VC from Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, United States of America. Thereafter, I will have my presentation on the qualitative research design and the different steps to be adopted to bring your design into the reality. And now this is time to have our guest of honor. I would like to take the opportunity to welcome Professor Dr. Sasikant Bharat Rao Sisod from India. Yeah, so I would like to take the opportunity to check the availability of Professor Sasikant ji here. So I think that server is not joining yet. So we will move forward and we will wait that if sir will join, then definitely we will have his message to all the researcher and academician in this platform. Without spending time, we would like to move forward, and we would like to take the opportunity to uh, unmute here another guest of honor, Biresar Pradhan ji from India. So let's welcome Biresar Pradhan with the big hand from our side in this platform, so that Biresar Pradhan can share his thoughts, his idea regarding his journey and the wishes to our researcher in this platform. Yes, of course, one opinion for our Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, United States of America. Over to Biresar Pradhanji. Very good evening, sir. I'm actually not receiving the audio. I would like to request Biresar Pradhanji to be with the audio. Yes, you have unmuted yourself, but we are not getting your audio. And maybe your audio system is not supporting. And maybe you can send your headphone or can go with your own device. So we will do one thing. We will come back to Biresar Pradhanji again. So before it, we would like to take the opportunity again to search Professor Dr. Sasikant Sishore, and I think that sir already joined. I would like to request you, sir, kindly join with your audio so that we can unmute you. We are now having your device in our dashboard. I would like to request you kindly join with your audio so that you can unmute from your side. And we are waiting for our guest of honors here, and thereafter we will move forward. And we have another guest of honor also from India, Smita Yadav. Smita Yadav is another guest of honor in this platform. And before it, I think that our professor, Dr. Sasikant, sir, will unmute from his side. And I would like to request you, sir, kindly join with your audio device. Actually, you have joined with one device, which is only the video. That's I would like to request you therefore. And here I'm again announcing our all guests of honor today. That is, we can see here Priyesh Pradhanji already joining with a video on mode, and maybe he may be able to unmute from his side. And we are also requesting Professor Dr. Sasikantji to join with the audio file, so that audio device, so that he can unmute from his side. I would like to take the opportunity to unmute Priyesh Pradhanji. Very good evening to you, sir. We are not getting your audio. You can kindly, I think that use without the headphone. Without headphone, it may be audible. Sometimes the device is not supporting. Yes, sir. We are not receiving the audio, sir. Kindly try to remove the complete your headphone from the device, and thereafter, I think that it may be audio. It is unfortunate, I think, that we are not able to receive the audio. I think that there may be some internet bandwidth problem in that area, or there may be some internet issue for which we are not receiving audio from Vireshwar Pradhanji. So I think that you can mute and unmute from your side one time. You can try. I have muted. Now I will unmute, sir.
But the most important step is the process in getting those results. And the process is where Eudoxia has personally helped me, because before being a FMERU member, I was an IIPian, just like everyone else who is here. And I have learned a lot during the whole process. It has helped me to do all the things very precisely, and all my doubts were solved by all the members of Eudoxia. And I would request everyone here to make use of this opportunity to the most, so that you can actually help yourself to get better results, and to conclude and to put forth these results towards the whole world, that how research is conducted. And Eudoxia has helped me a lot with the whole process. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. And I would like to request each and everyone to give the big hand to the Lifetime Award achiever, FMERU and FMERC, Smita Yadav from India. I wanted to share here that whenever the person is always enthusiastic in nature, always trying to learn something, they can change the world, they can do anything. And we have Smita here as an example that she shared that she was starting the journey as an IIPian, international innovator, and today she became the FMERU of our Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, United States of America. Our best wishes and big congratulations to you. Thank you very much for joining, and again, began from our side. Thank you very much. So we have seen that our prestigious FMERU was with us, and the guest of honor. I would like to take the opportunity again to take the availability of our Professor Dr. Sasikant here. And I think that if Sir is joining with audio device, then we will have the opportunity to have one message from his side. So I think that, yeah, it is not with the audio. So maybe on later time, yeah, Sir is appearing with, I think, video and now joining with audio. Thank you very much, sir. We would like to unmute you And this is a great opportunity for all of us to have the message from Professor Dr. Sasikant. I would like to request each and everyone to give the big hand for Professor Sasikant here in this platform and the winner of FMERU and FMERC and this platform. Today's guest of honor in this inaugural program of WOCDA 2022, a special workshop on research and methodology for qualitative research design. Very good evening, sir, and thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir. On the behalf of myself and college, I am very thankful to all the users of our candidature for this FMERU. And thanks for giving me this opportunity to join this Eudoxia. I have observed all these and heard all these lectures. Thank you once again, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for such a wonderful message in this platform. And we are congratulating you, sir, for winning our global award, that is the Lifetime Achievement Award, FMERU and FMERC, and FMERU from our Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, United States of America, and FMERC of Eudoxia Research Center. We are pretty much sure that under your leadership, that our researcher and academician will get the more and more benefits, and you will definitely share your research in our different platforms. Thank you very much, sir, and thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. So I think that Professor Sasikant also facing some internet issue. Therefore, there is some crack in the voice, and we can see here the messages from our participant. And that was wonderful message. And I think that everyone is ready to support the research world. And we will have more and more exciting journey in this workshop regarding research and innovation. We can see here that also that congratulations to Smita ma'am. Yeah, that's one after another. Congratulations are coming for our researcher and academician. I would like to take the opportunity again to say Bireswar Pradhan ji that if Bireswar Pradhan ji is available with the audio device, otherwise in the next I think webinar we will take the opportunity because we have to move forward. And here we go. We would like to unmute Bireswar Pradhan ji. Again, we are trying to unmute you. If you can unmute from your side as a guest of honor, you can share your message in this platform. I think that Bireswar Pradhan ji facing some internet issue, and therefore we have to move forward. And it's great honor and pleasure for us to have today qualitative research design in this platform. I am pretty much sure that you will have the interest to learn what are the different designs in qualitative research, how you can find out research gap, and how you can apply the knowledge of research gap to formulate your research question, to bring the research problem, and to make the theoretical concept to the publication process. There will be numbers of methods in the data collection. That's we are having the analysis process, and slowly we will definitely enter how manually as well as how by use of software you can do the data analysis in the qualitative research design. And of course, the publication part we will also cover. Now, I would like to take the opportunity to unmute our Professor Dr. Rajesh Kandar sir here in this platform to share his one greeting message and welcome notes to all the academicians and the researchers of the world.
Good evening, sir, and good evening to our Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Catalino, sir, and also all the IIPians and those who participants of today's WOCDA 2022 program. First of all, I congratulate and I thank this guest of honors, Dr. Sasikant sir, then Dr. Pradhan and Smita Jadhav madam, okay, for their achievement, a global achievement. And we know that we are committed for quality and empowerment of academicians and researchers throughout the globe. And this session, okay, this usually is meant for a qualitative analysis, okay, qualitative study from starting to an end. Hope that all will get an in-depth knowledge, and they will be motivators of an qualitative research. Okay, because there is a concept that always quantitative is much more powerful than qualitative, but the ultimate aim of any research is to add the knowledge, extra knowledge, or to add it to the domain of their respective fields. With this one, I welcome both the speakers, Dr. Catalino sir, our Pro Vice Chancellor, and our Honorable Director sir, okay, to today's session. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hearty welcome.
Thank you very much, and big hand for our convener, sir. And here it is time to welcome our speaker, and also I would like to make the appreciation to the director. Actually, I'm not director here, I'm sorry. Our director is Director Dr. Eudoxia Madam from Eudoxia Research Center, and I'm president here from Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, United States of America, and chairman of Eudoxia Research Center. So first, before starting the work that 2022, I would like to appreciate Director of Eudoxia Research Center, Dr. Eudoxia Madam, for her support and coordination with all the participants, academicians, researchers in this platform. And now we will we would like to appreciate Patron Madam, our Dr. J.M. Rowley Madam from City University, New York, her support in each and every moment. Our Vice Chancellor, Professor Brian Price, sir, he is always supporting the Research Center and standing with us all the time. And now we will have the presentation by our Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Catalino Mendoza, sir. Before starting the session, I would like to take the opportunity to introduce in front of you the man who is working for more than 3 decades to research and innovation, to develop the research and innovation globally. He is always ready to support the researchers, to support the academic community. He is always coming with new ideas, wonderful slides. Let us welcome our professor, Dr. Catalino Mendoza, sir, with a big hand from our side. And I am pretty much sure here that today, as the introductory section, that we are having the inaugural session of our WOCDA 2022, each and every one researcher, academicians will really enjoy a presentation of our professor, Dr. Catalino Mendoza, sir. Over to Professor Mendoza, sir, first for one message in this platform, in this inaugural session. I would like to request our Professor Catalino Mendoza, sir, for one message at first in this platform. I think that sir is, yes, sir. Now you are audible.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Now you are audible.
Okay. Namaste. Good evening from the Philippines. Good morning, good afternoon. And I would like to say congratulations to all participants today in advance, because you will be learning a lot from the participants as well, the ideas of the participants, and also, of course, coming from our speakers, our dear President and CEO of Eudoxia Research University, USA, and Eudoxia Research Center, India. And also, of course, from our Dean, Rajesh Kanor, and also, of course, Madame Patricia, and other members of Eudoxia Research family. I would like to say you are in good hand with the Eudoxia, because you have chosen the best research organization in the world, from 193 different countries around the world. Again, namaste, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Thank you very much, sir. And that was wonderful message in this platform. And big hand from our side to our professor, Dr. Catalino Mendoza, sir, for such a wonderful message in this platform. So now this is time to have the presentation by our Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Catalino Mendoza, sir. We would like to request you, sir, for sharing the screen and go for inaugural session. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, dear